I'm probably going to make a terrible narrator, but let's get into it. You guys have had a lot of questions about the cushion grip, and so I wanted to make a video tutorial to show you how I use it. Before you start, you want to make sure that your dentures are clean and completely dry. The cushion grip isn't going to stick if your dentures are wet. Soak your tube of cushion grip in a cup of really, really hot water for 10 minutes, and then you're ready to get started. You want to start with your bottom plate first, and you want to take your cushion grip and get a little ball out, and then you're going to roll it into your hands like a rope. Once it's in the rope shape, you're going to put it on your denture, and you're going to do your best to fill in them grooves. The goal here is to get the application thin and even. You don't want it to be uneven, or it's not going to sit right in your mouth. Once the cushion grip has been evenly spread on your bottom plate, go ahead and let it sit for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes is up, you're going to come back and put your top plate in without anything on it, and then you're going to start to place the bottom denture. You want to press firmly to get it really secure on your bottom gums and get the cushion grip spread out evenly. If there's any excess, you can pull your denture out and peel it off. Just be very careful so you don't pull all the cushion grip off. Once your bottom plate is done, you're really just going to repeat the process with the top. If you see in my video, I started with a little ball and I got it in the grooves of my denture first, and then I got the cushion grip back out and got another little ball to spread across the plate that sits at the roof of your mouth. Once again, go ahead once that's all spread out evenly and set your timer and let it sit for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes is up, go back, put your bottom denture in if it's not in already, and then you're going to start to place the top plate. You're going to just do the same thing. Press it in and make sure that you have a secure fit, and then you're good to go. This lasts me up to a week, really. It says up to 4 days, but I wear mine for about a week. I hope this helps.